The first 7 years of everyone's life is the foundation for all future beliefs, behaviours, thoughts, reactions to everything. Now, why is that? Because, it wasn't that long ago that it was thought that, what happens in childhood, it doesn't really matter. It's only once you start to be a bit older and you learn stuff, that's the bit we need to focus on. But the last, 30 years of science has made it very clear. And, because we can stick probes on brains, we can see brain activity and brain frequencies. And that has brought to the forefront why it's from development in the womb and then the first 7 years of life are the foundation for everything about us, because nature is very brilliant, very clever. And when a baby arrives in the world, their brainwave frequency is very low, very slow. So it's a very gentle way that they go through the world. And babies are, they sleep a lot and all that kind of thing, although never when we need them to. And then it goes through a bit of an upgrade around 2, and it goes to a slightly more awake brainwave frequency called theta. But the thing about both of these early brainwave frequencies until the age of 7 is that they are receive only. So there's nothing in a young child. If someone says to a young child, "Oh, you're such a silly boy," or "You're so fussy about your food," or that just goes straight in. A belief. I am fussy. I am stupid. I am silly. I am difficult. I am the demanding one. Straight in, straight in. There is no filter in these lower brainwave frequencies. And it gets deeply wired in a habitual way, and we carry it forward in life. It doesn't matter how successful you become. It's very common to hear very, very famous, successful people talk about how they are still behind the scenes crippled by what's known as imposter syndrome. It doesn't matter how many awards they get. It doesn't matter how big their house is. They suffer in this way despite the proof that's the complete opposite. And it's all because in the first part of life, when completely open and receptive to whatever's said about you, around you, and to you about yourself, it goes in as a belief. And then you carry that forwards for the rest of your days, unless you work with that part of you, with somebody, someone like me who can help you find the beliefs, get rid of them, and replace them forever.